We back at it again. 2005 X5 E53. We replaced the Vanos motor, and Walter, como se llama? You can start it. We replaced the, yes, please. We started it up. Here you can hear. That's the sound of a misfire. 5 and 6 still missing. Give it some gas. Gas it. Throttle. Fortunately, there is no more smoke coming out. It's a good sign that it's not a valve seal issue. So right now we're probably dealing with an injector issue. I'd recommend getting a good computer on this. And all right, you can stop. Getting a good computer on this and reading the injector values and seeing, you know, the flow rate on that. But for now, we're just doing some bare minimum simple stuff. Some people will frown upon it, just replacing parts, but the parts that we're replacing are pretty much due to be replaced anyway. New coils, new plugs, and that bad Vanos motor. Again, reason replacing this motor here, looked like the previous owner tried to pry it open, which is definitely not a good look. And so we got a nice new one right here. So that's good. Like I said, new coils, new plugs. Next step is we're going to check out the injectors, which are right here. Could be an injector issue. Right now my scan tool is not up and running. I need an update. I might have to refer to another scan tool, or just you know, try to get some numbers on these injectors here. But we could just replace them too, but we'll see what happens. This is Operation Misfire. We're trying to get 5 and 6 to stop misfiring. All right.